Hey there, we are Pablo
and Alejandra,
and today we're going to talk about Galileo Galilei. Galileo was born on the 15th of February 1564 in Pisa, Italy. Here we can see a map and a picture of the city where he was born. Galileo Galilei was an astronomer, physicist, mathematician, philosopher and engineer, famous for being one of the most emblematic and influential people in the history of science.
in his childhood he lived with his family, which was very poor. When he turned 10, a man called Jacob Borghini took care of him because his parents moved to Florence. Due to this, he entered a Benedictine abbey called Vallombrosa Abbey.
His dad wanted him to study medicine, but in 1583, Galileo started to study mathematics with a friend of his family, Ostilio Ricci. Attracted by Euclid's work, and without wanting to study medicine, he restarted to study maths again. Changing himself and his mind, he turned into a loyal fan of Pythagoras, Plato, Archimedes, hating Aristotelianism.
Galileo created a lot of things that changed the world and the optics. In 1609, Galileo heard that in the Netherlands an instrument had been invented. It was a telescope, but trial and error he finally made up a prototype that worked correctly.
Thanks to this, optics, photography and astronomy have improved considerably nowadays. For example, now there are mirrorless cameras that are less bigger and less heavy. With the research of the telescope, Galilei started to doubt heliocentrism, so he used his knowledge to support this theory that was based on the planets that rotate around the sun.
Talking about astronomy, his ideas were based on the Copernicus method, the heliocentrism that we mentioned before. He is called the dad of the modern astronomy. Heliocentrism is the theory used these days, so it developed an impressive advance for the future.
To sum up, Galileo Galilei made a change in our lives, improving them. ¡Ole! ¿Y con esto y un bizcocho?
Hasta mañana a las 8.
¡Ole!
Los caracoles.
Esto mola un kilo, es Fuentealbilla el paraíso perdido. Si alguien dice que no, se me ofende a mí. También es su población, pues mi pueblo no se toca.
Toca, toca, toca.
Que paciencia tengo poca.
Poca, poca, poca.
Si no callas de una vez la
Boca, boca, boca.
se me vuelve la cabeza.
Loca, loca, loca.
Uno come allí como un señor y te tratan siempre bien, te dan amor. Si pudiera ir con Fuentealbilla al mundial, a la otra selección le van a dar. Pues mi pueblo no se toca.
Toca, toca, toca.
Que paciencia tengo poca.
Boca, boca, boca.
Si no callas de una vez la
Boca, boca, boca.
se me vuelve la cabeza.
Loca, loca, loca.
Loca. Poca. Mi pueblo no se toca.